you to the iSpraywash. It's a tablet-based cleaning system, making your cleaning easy and effective. All you need to do is take this small tap, put it in the system, connect to water and start cleaning. Move your hand fast when you use the iSpraywash. You can clean 1 square meter in only 1 second. We always start from the bottom. If you need to adjust the dosing, you do it here. Here you can see how it works. The water pressure dissolves the tap. If we lower the pressure, we lower the dosing.